Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm here finishing up on this 147 vintage Leslie amplifier, high voltage rack, and get ready to solder in the final diode here. There you go. That's it right there. That's all it takes. And so what I'm gonna do now is clip this little piece off, piece of the wire, and then clip this little piece off right here. That's from the diode itself. That wire is on tight. This one is tight. Diode's tight. This tight. That diode's tight. That diode's tight. That's tight in there. That's tight. Oh, that's beautiful. Getting out a beautiful rack. Take a picture of that also. Look at that rack. New high voltage rack that I just put into this Leslie 147 amplifier. This amplifier is ready now. This thing will play. Yes, indeed, it'll play. So what I'm gonna do is reach over here, grab fuse, that was the problem with this one. It was blowing fuses. It will not be blowing any more fuses. Nope. It will not be blowing any more fuses. Put this brand new fuse in here. One of the hardest things on this thing is this thing is going. Let's see. You can see it. There you go. Just spanning the right side. Catching it just right. If I catch it right, there you go. I got to catch it like that. There you go. I got it now. All right, so I'll put this right here, and I'm gonna go try it. Then I'll come back and I'll put a zip tie right around there. When I'm ready, I'll zip tie this down like that, and it'll sit there just like that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and try this, do the sound check on it, and listen to what this amplifier sounds like, because it's ready to go. Let's get ready to rumble. Clear any of the solder, old parts around here. Get rid of that stuff. Here are the old diodes that came out of it. That's what was blowing fuses in this amplifier. Bad diodes. Alright, so until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.